In the previous video, you have seen what are keywords in Python. In this video, I will discuss what are identifiers in Python programming. Identifiers are nothing but names which we will be giving to the variables, functions, classes, objects. You need to follow the set of rules while creating the variables, functions, classes or objects. The very first one is it must start with the letter or a underscore, and it should not start with the number. It can be variable name, function name or a class name. It can contain the letters, numbers, underscores, and also it is a case sensitive. And if you see here, so this age is different and this age is different. You cannot use the Python keywords as a variable name, function name or a class name.